Begin by choosing your preferred height, then use this table as a reference to cut the post, side brackets, and gaskets. Now, to assemble the post, remove the plastic liner and start by setting the side brackets 3 inches from the base plate. Center it on the post and fasten both ends. Then use 4 to 6 more screws spread across evenly. Do the same with the other post and make sure that they face each other. Then insert the rubber gasket into the side bracket. Next, mark the post where you've determined proper blocking and post placement. Then drill pilot holes and fasten loosely. Now plumb both posts using a level and shims. Measure between the inside of the brackets and cut the boards to fit. Insert and fasten the first board, then slide the boards one by one and fasten every third or fourth board.